I think it's an interesting panel. The topic was quite interesting, insurance marketplace. I think everybody's talking about increasing the penetration, and marketplace models normally bring in a lot more focus on the customer in terms of choice of products, choice of offerings, value-added services, and it's a one-stop shop for customers to come and buy the product and also experience the service of companies. So I think it was an interesting topic, and a topic which is very thematic because the regulator is also talking about Bima Sugam and things like that. So I think interesting topic to be discussed upon. Well, if you look at the life insurance industry of which I am part of, right, I think our products have been evolving over a period of time. I think the value proposition that we're offering to our customers are increasingly becoming very, very robust and very relevant. For instance, today, for a customer who's probably wanting to invest in an insurance policy below 5 lakhs, I think we are probably the only category in the country or maybe across the globe as well, which will probably give you a guaranteed return on money that you don't even have today. Because I can collect 2 lakhs premium from you for the next 10 years and give you a guaranteed tax-free return for the rest of your life, which can be another 25, 30 years, no, right? So, and at a IRR, which will probably be 6% plus. So it's almost 6% plus tax-free IRR for a customer, right, for almost another 25, 30 years on money which he doesn't even have today. That is the level of sophistication our products have been to, right? We also have our deferred annuity products, our pension products. Today there is our term products with return of premium. So I think the level of sophistication in the products has been going up quite a bit, and rightly so, because then we are able to offer a lot more choices to our consumers and also able to offer bespoke solutions to our customers. So I think there's been a dramatic shift in the industry, and that's playing out as we speak, and it's only going to get better and better for the consumer. I think for that a lot more work needs to be done. On the general insurance side, some products by nature are pull because you need to have a third-party motor cover at any point of time. So there's some pull out there. There are also pull for maybe products like motor insurance, etc. On the life insurance side, I think we need to probably first spend a lot of time and effort in building awareness, because as I said, we are a very important part of a customer's financial planning, I would say. In fact, I would say that many people think insurance is an investment. It's not an investment. Insurance is a basic necessity because there are so many things that we protect. A, we protect you from dying early. B, we protect you from living long because you won't have income. If you work for 30 years and if you're going to live for 40 years after that, you won't have income for most part of your life. How do we protect you? Interest rates keep changing, and we have been in the last cycle of interest rates. We have been through one of the lowest interest rate, coming to where we all believe we are on the highest interest rate cycle. How do customers really make sure that they protect themselves against wagering interest rates? That's again something insurance industry provides. So I think in my parlance, insurance zaruri hai. Insurance is not something that is a luxury, and I think that message has to be conveyed very, very strongly to our consumers, and that's where the mutual fund industry did a good job of mutual fund sahiya. I think we probably have a good template that we can learn from. So I think building awareness, making our products much more simpler, stitching together customer journeys which are easy as well, will probably help us make the transition from difficult to sell to easy to buy. Well, I think there's been massive regulatory support for the industry. I think IRDA stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. I think the D today is probably at the hub of what IRDA is doing. They've moved from a rule-based regulation to principle-based. So increasingly more regulations are being repealed, or the process of filing returns is being made easier. It's moving to a marketplace kind of a model. It's pro-customer, pro-competition, pro-investments. They're looking at risk-based supervision now, risk-based capital, IFRS. I think the regulator has been doing a fantastic job of making sure that insurance for all by 2047, which is the mission of the Prime Minister and mission of the regulator. I think everything is being made. Building blocks are being put in place to make sure that we all achieve our dream much ahead of the deadline of 2047. I think we are probably going through one of the most exciting phases of insurance industry in this current era, and the regulator is doing a great job of making sure that we are focusing on penetration, development, and good market conduct.